What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel. I'm back today to give you a quick update on Yamaha and more specifically on the 2023 Yamaha YZ450. We've known for a few months or longer that the 2023 was going to be an all new YZ450. Don't be mistaken guys, the 2018 to the 2022 YZ450 are the same generation, despite what some people think. We got a teaser video from Yamaha, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, and didn't show much. And we've been waiting for another teaser video, which we got yesterday morning. And I have to be honest, man, I was a little disappointed. I expected more from the second teaser video, and we actually got less than we got the first video. We have, you know, 2 quick blurry shots of part of the swing arm, and it's only a few seconds long. They really didn't give us much. But what they did give us was the release time, which they say is August. From all the rumors I've heard, that's going to be August 10th. That's our best guess so far. So we're gonna find out details in less than a month about the 2023 YZ450. We don't have any real idea what direction they're going with the bike, besides they're trying to make it a little slimmer. Everybody, you know, most people love this bike. The only issues anybody has with it is normally how wide it feels, and that's really about it, guys. So they've been messing with some power steering stuff as well. I don't think that's ready for production yet, but if they could just get that thing slimmed up a little bit, maybe put it on a diet, hey, it can only help. It's already a great platform. So we will see what they have. Just a reminder, when the information does drop, I'll have it here on the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe. And yeah, appreciate it. If you want to help me out, get your parts from AMC, links in the description. See you in the next video.